Energy products are varied and have many end uses. They can be refined products like gasoline, which is directly consumed, or raw inputs like crude oil, which can be made into other products. A fundamental energy trader will need to consider the factors that influence supply and demand for the raw materials as well as any secondary products. Energy products are very sensitive to changes in supply and demand. Small changes in either can have a noticeable effect on the price of the energy futures contract. The main drivers of energy price are user demand, inventory build and drawdown cycles as part of supply, and seasonality. When economies are growing, you may see increased demand for energy for both consumers and manufacturers. Some of the signals might include increased automobile sales and transportation. As new homes and buildings are constructed, they will need heating, cooling, and electricity. And as manufacturing increases, you may see higher demand for energy inputs. On the supply side, there are many factors that make energies unique when compared to other commodities. Energy products go through what is referred to as a build and drawdown cycle. Many energy products are extracted from the ground, then transported to storage facilities. This is the build phase. The drawdown phase is when the product is shipped from the storage facility to the end user. Traders should become familiar with data like the weekly crude oil report, which indicates whether there has been a buildup or a drawdown in crude oil reserves. Seasonality also plays an important role in the supply and demand for energy products. For example, natural gas goes through a seasonal build to ensure there are enough supplies to meet the higher demand for winter heating. This demand decreases as the winter turns to spring and summer. Seasonality effects on energy futures are generally predictable as they occur during the same times each year. If energy supplies are higher or demand is lower, then traders might expect price should decrease. If supplies are lower or demand is higher, then traders might expect price should increase. Traders using fundamental analysis in the energy market pay close attention to the factors that influence the supply and demand for raw and refined products.